students, in this tutorial we are going to pass the sales transaction. Now transaction number 6 is on your screen. Goods sold to Tata Retail Private Limited, which is in Maharashtra itself. So this is a within state sales transaction. So first we will create required masters for it. First and foremost is we need to create the debtors ledger. Go back to gateway of tally, then into accounts info, ledgers, create. This would be sundry debtor. So to whom we sell the goods or services are sundry debtors. So state is Maharashtra, set alter GST details yes, registration type regular, party type not applicable, and GSTN number. Here we will take the GSTN number. Next we need to create the sales ledger. Now sales at the rate 28%, as the GST rate for this transaction is 28%. This would be sales account. Now nature of transaction would be sales taxable. Is reverse charge applicable? No. Integrated tax rate would be 28%, which would be broken into half of CGST 14% and state SGST, state tax 14%. Type of supply is goods. Next we need to create, let's see whether we have already got the ledgers for taxes. We have already got CGST 14% and SGST 14%, so we need not create it again. And we also have already created the inventory items required for this transaction, that is conference table round, square, office table steel, and office chair plastic green. During our purchase transaction we had already created this inventory item, so no need to create it again. So we will directly go and pass this transaction now. Go to transactions, accounting, vouchers, and this time we will select it as sales. So party is Tata Retail Private Limited. First item we are selling is conference table round, quantity 6. Conference table round, quantity 6. Rate is 32,000. Now we are going to select the sales ledger as sales at the rate 28%. Next is conference table square. Let's see what is the quantity. Quantity is 5 and rate is 30,000. Quantity is 5 and rate is 30,000. Again sales at the rate 28% would be our sales ledger. Next, office table steel. Office table steel. Quantity would be 10 and rate is 15,000. Quantity is 10, rate is 15,000. Again sales at the rate 28%. Moving on to next, office chair plastic green, quantity is 40. Plastic green, quantity is 40 and rate is 1500. Sales at the rate 28%. This is all list of items we want to sell. Now we would levy taxes on it. So tax would be CGST at the rate 14%, as it is a within state sales transaction, and next SGST would be 14%. Provide GST details, e-way bill details. That's it. So now here there is one thing. we have not filled all EV bill details during this transaction. Well, you will do actually, please fill up all the EV bill details which have been actually generated. This is how we pass the sales transaction, and now we will see how it actually looks when we do a print. And the print preview of the invoice would be like this. This is how the actual print would be looking, and you would be giving print of this thing and you would be issuing it to your buyer. So thanks for watching, and we will continue doing this practical session. Thank you very much.